silence, waiting for the sirens. Signs, any signs I'm alive still. Underneath our bad blood, we've still got a sanctum home. Still a home, still a home here. It's not too late to build it back, 'cause a 1 in a million chance is still a chance, still a chance. And I will take those odds.